This is very fancy, this arch here, look. And it fell, you know, on my Jaguar. But that part couldn't hurt it because King Jesus threw a door between it. And,